Hello, my people. You are welcome. You are welcome. Congratulations for making it to my free online courses. All right. I am so happy, and trust me, I am even happier because I'm really passionate about learning beautiful skill sets, just like you. So I want you not to forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell, okay, so that you can be able to have things like this, okay? And don't forget to like and just drop a comment, okay? Drop a comment and tell me what you think about this course. All right, take care and see you guys soon. Bye.
Alright guys, you are welcome. If you're seeing this video, you are one of our lucky students. Okay, so I'm going to be teaching you web designing using WordPress for free. Alright, you know, these days nobody writes codes. There is no too much of hustle when it comes to creating a website. But if you want to make a website for international clients and local clients, I want you to follow this video step by step. And also, if you do not understand, I want you to take the video back, watch again until you've gotten the concept. Okay, so I'm sure the introductory video must have explained the meaning of domain, the meaning of hosting, the meaning of DNS and whatsoever. But I'm gonna go straight to the point by telling you you must have a domain name and host package before you can create a personal website. I'm talking about websites for clients, for your business, you know, for your family and friends. Okay, be it international and local, you need these two terms that I have just explained. Okay, all right, so now let's just go ahead. So if you've purchased your domain name and your host, it should look like this on my screen. All right, so after you've purchased your domain and your host, the host providers will send you a bunch of codes something like this. It's not actually really hard, it's actually very easy. This is actually better. This is better than writing codes and the rest. Okay, so you should see your web page URL, you should see your control panel, you should see your control panel username and your control panel password. And also when we scroll down, you should also see your web mail. Okay, you should also see your web mail. So with all this, you are good to go. So your web mail is actually used to create custom emails for your clients, for the website you are building, while your control panel you see here is to access your back end, okay, where you have all those things like the SSL, upgrade of your PHP manager, a lot of things. All right, a lot of things you need to do before you build your website. So this is where it's done, in your control panel. Okay, so and the web page URL is actually what you see, is what you see at the front end. Okay, that's where you see the progress, that's where you see your results. All right, that's where you know that, okay, my website is how I want it to be. All right, so guys, so this is the same code we just saw here. So I copied it from my email and I pasted it in my notepad. Okay, so it should look something like this. All right, so what we're going to do is we'll come to control panel. To start off, we'll just come and copy your control panel URL, as you can see, and paste it and hit enter. All right, so guys, please don't forget to like and follow. This is actually a new channel. This is my new channel. I had to start from scratch. All right, so I want you to like and follow. And now that we have this, so let's go ahead to put in our cPanel username and cPanel password. Okay, so we just we'll copy this carefully, go to our cPanel and paste it on the username area. Then you come to the password side, we just come and copy it. Don't worry, all these will be provided by your hosting company. All right, so guys, we are logged in. Okay, so I didn't copy it properly that last time. All right, so you should have this, so you can just scroll down. So this is your cPanel. Okay, this is your cPanel, and everything you need to do from your back end is actually here. Okay, so when you've opened your cPanel, the first thing you should do, please follow my step-by-step directions. Okay, the first thing you should do is you should upgrade your PHP manager. How can you do that? Just come here and type PHP. All right, this is it, multi PHP manager. You click it. Guys, the information I'm going to share, nobody's going to do this. If you want to keep making money, if you want to start making money by getting international clients, doing websites for them, getting local clients in Nigeria, anywhere, doing websites and getting paid in foreign currencies, guys, this is it. All right, because this is a very, very good skill. You just make use of little money, but you get more money. All right, so we just come here. After you've done this, you've clicked on the multi PHP manager. Just scroll down here, highlight this checkbox, then come by your right hand side here where you have the PHP 5.6. So you just come to the highest version here, okay, which is the PHP 8.3, and you click the apply under here. All right, guys, you can see we had a success. Okay, so now we can go ahead. All right, so once we are done, you can just come and click the cPanel sign here by the left hand side. Just click the cPanel. So we've upgraded the PHP manager. Congratulations, because this is the database area. That's the back end of your cPanel. Okay, you need to put that to avoid hackers and failure of loading and so many things. Okay, all right, this is where you will see all informations of your website, from the disk usage you've used while building the website, to your bandwidth, to the MySQL disk usage. So the meaning of subdomain, it means a domain under a domain. So now that our domain name is deviceshqo.com, we can have example leslie.deviceshqo.com. so now that is an example of a subdomain. Our main domain is deviceshqo.com. all right, but our subdomain will be leslie.deviceshqo.com. all right, so it's actually very easy. This is something anybody can do. And we have the amount of emails you've created. So this is what you make use of your webmail. All right, you can make up to 999 emails. Guys, this is really amazing. Okay, so you can check the rest yourself. So let's just go straight to the point. So the next thing you are going to do after you've upgraded your PHP manager is to check for the SSL. Okay, just type SSL. So the SSL is, for example, is this sign you see up here. I don't know if you can see my screen. This padlock sign that shows your website can be trusted in making payments and the rest. Okay, so this side shouldn't be like here, not sure, because this means it is not secured. Okay, so after typing the SSL up here, just come to where you have let's encrypt SSL. But here we have already activated this SSL, but let me show you guys how to do it, just in case you don't have a SSL. No need of going to pay for SSL. You don't have to go and pay for that. All right, so you can come and get this one for free. Okay, so you just type SSL and let's encrypt SSL. all right, so you just click it. So after you've clicked it, you won't see all this. All right, so guys, just follow me step by step. So let's say you don't have an SSL. Okay, so what you just do is you come here and hit the issue. After you click the issue, it will ask you to confirm, and you confirm it and you press OK, and that is all. It is going to be activated, just like how the PHP manager was fast. That is how your SSL is going to be fast. And after you've done this, after coming to hit the issue and you accept it, it will activate everything you've come to click here. All right, so guys, this is very simple. It's not something that should crack your brain up. Okay, it's very simple and okay. And once you are done, just come to the cPanel by your left hand side and you click it again and you are back. So guys, so now we've done two things. All right, after logging into our cPanel, we upgraded our PHP manager. and then we actually activated our SSL. Okay, so we've done two things. All right, so the next thing we're going to do now is scroll down to where we have Softaculous app installer. Remember, I said I was going to teach you how to create a website using CMS, all right, which is the content management system. All right, so the content management system has actually made our life very good as developers. We not creating codes, and there are a lot of CMS apps that you can actually use, web apps that you can actually use to create your website. As you can see, we are using WordPress. You can make use of Joomla, you can make use of Abanticat, you can make use of all this. But I know I make use of WordPress, Joomla, that is Abanticat. I make use of this. Then I make use of Dolphins. I think there's Dolphin somewhere. I make use of Dolphin and IBM, but IBM is not here anymore. Maybe they couldn't follow up again. So the next thing, you just come and click there, WordPress. Okay, just click your WordPress is going to open. All right, so after your WordPress is open now, you should see this page. Okay, written Softaculous. All right, you should see this page. Then you just scroll down and you just hit the install. Okay, so now you've clicked on the install and this page is going to open. You are going to see by this area here, you see everything about your website and you have to fill everything right. Okay, for this side, I will suggest you to choose the last one that carries the HTTPS and the www and the /. Okay, select that one. That will keep you covered and that will activate the SSL we previously installed, the one I taught you how to issue. All right, if you don't understand, please take the video back and you will understand. Okay, this is not like a competition. This is not a competition. So with easy breezy, we are gonna get there, and in no time you too will start earning. Okay, make sure your website that you want to install is selected here. All right, don't forget this one is the last one will be selected, the one that has the S and the www. Then this one will be selected, your domain name. Then we come, make sure you select the highest here too. All right, just like how you did for your PHP manager. All right, make sure this area is empty. Mostly you will see something like this when you click this page. Please don't do this, because what this will do, it will save into a directory called WP. All right, so if you're watching this video, I want you to be rest assured that with these easy tips, in no time you'll be making money by creating websites for international clients and local clients. All right, so we can scroll down. So at this area, this second area, we will have to put in the website name, the description of the website. That's what is our website about. Okay, things related to our website. Okay, the description. Then we'll have to create a admin username and the admin password. Okay, so don't worry, this is easy. This admin email, just leave it the way it is. All right, so let's start by the site name. So let's say I want to make the site name to be Leslie Clothing. All right, Nigeria. Let's say Leslie Clothing's. All right, let's say Leslie Clothing's Nigeria. So that should be okay. It's trying to correct me. Or let's change the clothing to fashion. Okay, Leslie Fashion. Let's say Leslie Fashion Nigeria. Okay, this is perfect. So the next thing, what is my website about? What is Leslie Fashion Nigeria about? So we can say sales. Then you just leave a space, just a single space. All right, we can say clothing. We can say men clothing. We can say what? Women clothing. All right, we can say kiddies clothing. All right, we can say clothing for adults. We can say wears for adults. All right, and guys, another thing your site description helps you, it helps you in your SEO. What is SEO? SEO simply means the search engine optimization. This is in terms of how your viewers, all right, or how your customers will see you on Google. All right, this will give Google a hint of what you are into, and it will rank you based on what you have written here. So anytime anybody types women clothing, your website will pop out. Isn't that very good? So it's actually very good and advisable for you to give a very long site description. It doesn't matter if it's pointless, but just know that anything you write inside your site description, it goes a long way in your SEO. And you know what SEO means? The search engine optimization, in which Google gives you a premium visibility. All right, so now that we are done, let's say this is just like a sample site. All right, so now that we are done, I can come and create my admin username. So I want to create my admin username to be Leslie Fashion Nigeria. All right, let's say Leslie Fashion Nigeria, like this. Then after putting this, I can put 001. All right, so I want this to be my admin username. So the password, to avoid hackers, like I said, I don't know, I've been creating websites for 10 years plus now for clients internationally and locally, and just once I've had this experience, a very bad experience of a hacker hacking into my website and changing the whole thing. So I had to use like 2 months again to rebuild the website, but I had to make it more cooler in terms of quality and security, because my clients, they were patient for me and everything. So please, I'm really happy with this improvement WordPress has actually brought for us developers, making things easy, because we don't really do coding, you know, all these anti-malware and anti-spyware programming that you have to code to guard your informations and your details and your permissions. So now what WordPress have done, so what WordPress have done now is creating a way we can generate very good passwords. Okay, so I can come here and just click this key by the side here which says generate a random password. Click on generate. You see guys, this says it's very strong. So what we are going to do now is we'll just come and copy this. Just copy this, come to where you have your dump informations. Okay, what I want you to do, just give it some space if that will confuse you. All right, so what we're going to do is we'll come here and write admin username and come and dump it. All right, then come over here to where you have your admin password. Okay, come here where you have your admin password, and dump it here too. All right, so now we are good to go. We have this. Then you make sure you come and save into your notepad. Guys, before you create your website, please open your notepad, because that is where all delicate informations will be stored, like all the informations that are from your host providers, the information of your cPanel and everything should be in one notepad. Okay, I'm just giving you my suggestion. All right, you can do it, you can cram it if you want, but this is how I've been doing it for years, and I've not had any issue of I forgot a password, or when I want to change or modify or revamp a website, I have to go back, all right, to look for the password. No, I've not had that issue. All right, so now let's just go down. Now we'll fill everything here properly. We can come here and click the install button. So that's done. So, and once this is done, we should have something like this. Okay, so guys, just take a look at this, and you can see, congratulations, the software was installed successfully, giving you your WordPress URL and also your admin login. So what we're going to do is, what I usually do is I right click and say open link in new tab. All right, just come and open your link in new tab, and that is all. Congratulations to us, we now have our dashboard. Okay, so from our dashboard here, we can access our website by the left hand side upward here. You can see when you just hover your mouse, you'll see visit website. You right click, you see that, right? And you can see how your website look like. So this is how our website look like for now. You can see it, Leslie Fashion Nigeria, a committed blah 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 innovation. You see that, guys? So this is not how our website will look like, okay? But this is actually very good. So far so good. At least we've gotten a product, a result, let me put it that way. All right, so now we have this. So the first thing first you are going to do is you have to go to your settings to set how you want your website to be viewed. Okay, so you come to your settings, come to reading under your settings. So what we want to do is we will have to choose this second one. So now this is the reason why we are choosing this second one. Now when people search for our website online, or when they click on our domain name online, we want this website to be directed to this page we're going to assign here, which is your home page. Then the post can be in no page, or we'll give the post page the blog. Now example, when we come to the website like so, see, we're opening the website, I'm opening it on another tab, we see this. So now this is not actually inviting, because you can see all the posts. Look at all these posts. This post is not supposed to be on your home page when people are viewing your website. All right, this is so not nice. All right, so what we are going to do now is we'll just come to pages. Just click on the pages by your left hand side here. We'll have to delete all these things. All right, so the first thing first, the sample page will have to go. Just click the move to trash. So we'll have to clean everything up before we start modifying. Okay, so you can leave this. Oh, let's take it out too. The privacy policy too, let's take it out. Just click the move to trash. So please follow my video step by step. If you don't understand, take the video back and you will understand. All right, come to the post. Let's clear the posts. We don't want any post. So this is not by me, hello world. Click it, highlight it, move to trash, move to trash. Comment, let's see if there's any comment. Okay, now we've deleted the post, so there will be no comment. A comment relies on posts. Okay, so I think I saw one comment here, but now it's gone because we've deleted the post where the comment is on. All right, so guys, now we have a clean slate. All right, so now let us start rebuilding our website. So the first thing you will do after before you go to your settings to go and set your reading area and you change the settings I just showed you, you just come to pages, click on your pages, and you will see this. Just come to add new page. So guys, it's very easy, simple, straightforward. All right, and this is for anybody. Okay, anybody can do this from anywhere in the world. So it's very normal for this to pop out when you want to build a new page of your website. It doesn't do this before, but now I think this is a new style. So please, for you not to don't confuse yourself. So what you are going to do now is just come and click this X here. All right, so let's have a clean slate. All right, so the first thing you will do is just come and write home page. Just put home. All right, then come here and say publish. Publish again. All right, after that, you want to create a new page, right? Then you come here and say add new page again. Now that we have a new page, then you can come and say about us. All right, publish again. So you just do that. So now we are creating a menu. All right, so this is a very simple menu. I'm going to show you guys once I am done. Okay, so the next thing, add a new page. Add new page. You can come and click on services. All right, so we are just doing a simple website. Okay, simple website. Then add another page. So what we are going to add now, let's just say contact us. Okay, contact us. All right, so you just go and publish it again. So you come and click this view pages here. Just come and click it, and let's see what we have created. So guys, we have created 4 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've created home page, the contact us page, about us page, and the services. So please, I want you to follow this video. You won't see this immediately here. You can see. Let's come and refresh it. All right, you won't see this immediately here. So for us to arrange this page for it to be top notch, we need to empty everything. All right, so the next thing now that we're going to do now is, the next thing we will do, let's go back to our settings. Just follow the way I'm showing you. Don't be distracted. Okay, you can see everything we put in previously is here in our settings. We can say our site title, the tagline, that's our description. You can see, you can even add an icon here if you want. All right, you can add an icon to your page and the rest. Okay, so but now we're going back to reading. All right, so I think that there is one page. Sorry, I think I need to add one page. Your blog, our blog. Okay, so let's add a blog to the page. So I just came to the pages area and I click add new page. Okay, add new page. It's loading. Add new page. All right, so let's just cancel this one like we did before. So now we have this one. Let's give blog. Let's add blog. Okay, so let's come to publish again. Okay, so guys, with time you get used to the whole thing. It's not hard, it's easy, simple, easy breezy. We're having fun. Be motivated. Okay, it's not really hard. So let's come back to, so now we've added, you can see we've added blog here. So now I can close this page, close this our front end, and let us go back here. So now we can come here. Let's refresh this page. Okay, remember we came to settings, then we went to reading. It's up here. It's, I say up here, it's just down here. We went to settings, then we went to reading. All right, so now we are in the reading settings. Okay, so you under where you have your home page displays, just come change this to static. For the home page, we want the home that we created to show. Then for the posts pages, we don't want it to just any post can be in your home page. No, for our post we want it to go to the blog. So guys, I hope you understand now. This is very simple, explanatory, straight to the point, and good. All right, so I think we are good now. All right, so if you followed up, you should know what we have just done now. So we've assigned now. So now if we come and we come on under here, just come and just hit the save. So in anything you change in anywhere in your dashboard, there's always a save button under. Just come and hit the save. Okay, and you are good. All right, so now guys, the next thing we're going to do now is let's just come and hit our dashboard. Just click on the dashboard. You should see this, but I don't like this. For me, you can see our 5 pages are here. I don't really like the dashboard area to be this scattered. All right, so what I usually do is I come here to where you have screen options, and I come and just off the ones I don't really want to see, but I really want my site health to show. So the glance, activity, this one, that one, and this one, I don't want it to show. Sometimes maybe even this, I don't want it to show. I just want something very clean like this. All right, how to do this? You just come to your screen options up here, and you just unclick everything here, and you are good. All right, so I hope I'm not too fast. All right, it's easy and everything is good. So the next thing we're going to do now that we have a website looking like this, let me show you guys. So let's check and see what we've done to our website. Guys, have you seen the change? This wasn't how it was before. See, so we don't have a blog here, but when we come and click blog here, this is where we're going to see that post we didn't want it to be in the home page. You can see it has changed. Now we don't just have the www.deviceshqo.com blogs. No, now let me hit the home page so that I will let you guys know what I mean. We can come here and say open here. So anything here, be it logo, be it a write-up that is by the left upward here, will always take you to your home page. Okay, so guys, you can see now that we have the www.deviceshqo.com, you can see it has no, so this is the end, so it has no post here, articles, no post like a blog. But if you come to the blog area where it has /blog, you can see this is where we have our blog now. All right, experience the fusion of imagination, blah 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 blah. All right, so that's just what we just did. We had to tell the website that, look, when people come, let them see a home page, and if they want to see the blog, they should click blog, and they should go to where the posts are situated in the blog. Not you coming to my home page and you're seeing posts, you are seeing comments, you are seeing pictures, you are seeing everything jam-packed in one place. No, it's not professional, guys. Okay, then another tip I want to let you guys know is on this settings area, we are not done. All right, so you will come to where we have permalinks. Okay, come to where we have permalinks, and please always choose the post name. You can see this day and name, you can see how scattered it looks, right? /2024 /5/26 no, we don't want it to look like as if we're on a code or like a competition with somebody. It's looking rough, so always choose the post name. You can see how this looks like, right? The website name / where we are. All right, so choose the post name, come under and click save changes. Okay, all right guys, so after you've clicked the save changes, I think we are now good. Okay, we are now good. All right, so now we've done this. So the next thing I want you guys to do from here, that's why I said follow this video step by step. All right, so the next thing you should do now is go to appearance. All right, we have to take out this, we have to take out all these themes to avoid monthly upgrade and updating of things we are not using. All right, so let's just come to add new theme. So guys, the one I will really recommend you guys, all right, all this, I love Hello Elementor, is good. Hello Elementor is good. I love Astra, I used to use Astra, but the one I will recommend you guys is Ocean WP. So what I'll do is I just want to install it. If you want to search for this, you can just come up here by your right hand side and just type Ocean WP like this, and it will locate itself, as you can see. All right guys, so that is how it's done. So let's go back. I hope to take us back to where we were. So just search for, remember, you have to click add new theme, then you come and search. Okay, so just follow these classes step by step. It's free, so you have nothing to lose. Just sit down, relax, and you'll be good. All right, so we have Ocean WP. I didn't see it anymore. Ocean WP. So we'll come here and we'll say install. Okay, so let us install it. All right, so this is really innovative and impactful, so that we can be making money, because web designing is one skill set that I know that you spend less to build a website, but you make a lot of money, and the turnover can be like 700k, 850k in Nigerian money. That's 850,000 naira, 900, sometimes 1 million, 1.2, 1.3. Web designing is the deal, trust me. Destination folder is already exists. So what we're going to do now is let's just go back. So guys, you just hit the install and it's going to be installed. So let us go back to the themes. Okay, it's here, so we just need to activate. So let's activate it. All right, so please do not forget this area. Each theme always come with some little plugins, okay, and they will show just like this. So any theme you install, even if it's not Ocean WP here, even if it's not Ocean WP, any theme that you install, please always install the follow-com templates like this one. Okay, install everything, or else that theme will not work. And in this my class, you are not paying for anything. Everything is free. All right, not like some courses that they'll still tell you to pay $4 or $2 to get premium of something. The only thing you will pay for is maybe when you want to do SEO, like using your Yoast. All right, Yoast SEO. If you want to use your Yoast, you want to use any other SEO or premium activities, okay, that's when you can actually buy. So we can just say skip. All right guys, so you should say this. That means congratulations, we have installed the WP. So guys, don't forget what I want to tell you now. So go back to where you can see here has changed drastically. All right, so you can go back to your appearances. So let us delete those follow-com themes that came when we installed our WordPress. All right, those themes, to avoid updating things that we are not using. Okay, so let's just come here and say theme details, then delete. Okay, all right, come to the next one, theme details, delete down here, then okay. If you still don't understand, when you come into the themes area, you will see the ones that are not installed anymore. So this shows that it is active. You can see that's our Ocean WP. So you just come to the ones you don't need again, come to theme details, come down here to delete, then hit OK. This means, are you sure you want to delete this theme? Yes, because we don't want to be upgrading things we are not using anymore. All right, so guys, we are almost done. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do now, after we've installed our Ocean WP, go back to our pages. I will show you why we are going back to our pages. Hit edit, especially your home page, okay, or any other page you want to do this to, because we'll be making use of a builder called Elementor. All right, I'll be making use of Elementor, and I really want to make everything look nice so that Elementor can sit in well, because it's actually a page builder. All right, so if you don't know, you can Google about Elementor. It does a lot of stuff, and I've been using it for 10 years and more, and trust me, it has been really nice. All right, So the next thing we are going to do now is, so we have to, the content layout, we can change it to full width. Then disable the padding. Okay, then you click update. Click updates. Okay, so now this is what we have done. So when we come here and say view page, if we come here and click the view page, we should see this. Watch, guys. You see how our home page looks like now? All right, so what I actually did was, I did edit. Let me do it again. Make sure you've installed your Ocean WP and your Ocean WP Extra for you to see this sign that looks like a disc by your right hand side. When you click on that sign that looks like a disc, you will see the general. You come to the general and drop it down and change the content layout. Change the content layout to full width. Okay, then the padding, disable the padding so that above the website can lap well. Okay, then another thing you have to do is the title. I don't want the title to show. I don't want it to show home here. I just want it to just show pictures and blah blah blah, all these things. We will change it. Okay, you can see it's looking nice. Then I can come to title and say display. You see this display page title, disable it. Disable. All right, then we'll just come and say update up here. That's all. In anything you do, you save. All right, in anything you do when it comes to like your page area, also click on update for it to update what you have done. All right, so if I come and click here and go back to my page, watch, you won't see this here anymore. We'll come and we refresh and we have a clean website that we can start building professionally. Do you guys understand? Can you see this? So if you've reached this point, I want to say congratulations. I want to say congratulations that now you are now a web designer, because this is actually the only work from the cPanel area that we started till this point inside your dashboard. That is the only thing you need to do. All right, this is the only thing you need to do to build a website. The rest of the things now is just drag and drop and install. That's all. All right, guys, so I want to go to the next part, and after the next part I'll just take a break, then come back and finish up the video. Okay, all right, so now that we're here, so let us now so let me teach you guys how to install plugins. Okay, so we just come to where we have our plugins here. You can see all these plugins, they are all follow-com plugins. So what we'll do, apart from this that we've installed, the Ocean Extra, then we'll just come and delete this one, delete this one, then we'll come to add new plugin. Okay, so the first set of plugins I will advise you is the plugin that can make that can give us very, very good sliders. Please, I want you to write it down. If you can write it down, or if you can mark somewhere in this video. All right, and please don't forget to subscribe, please, and turn on your notifications so that you can get exclusive videos like this. Okay, all right, and click the like button too. All right, so the things we will actually need now, will be number one, Elementor. You see, that is it. Install it, please. Follow me carefully. All right, we're going to need Elementor. We're going to need Elementor. We're also going to need the essential add-ons for Elementor. So guys, okay, it's installed. I thought that was going to take our time. So we also need the essential add-ons for Elementor. So the next thing we're going to get now again is for speed, light speed. Just type light speed. That's LITE, then speed. Okay, this is it, light speed catch. So this will remove any catch automatically from your website and make your website always fast. Okay, so you install that too. Then we're going to look for, remember the sliders, right? So I'm gonna type prime sliders. Okay, prime sliders. I had to cram it. Prime sliders, very good, very good. Prime sliders, because I didn't give a space. When searching, they can be very sensitive, so you can see I had to give space for it to pop out. So we come and install prime sliders. Prime sliders. So let's go to where we have our plugins. So guys, these are all our plugins, okay, that we've installed. So these are the main plugins, but I know that other plugins also good for your security. I'm trying to think of one, but I'm gonna look for one later. So let's just activate this. It's telling us to create an account. No, please. So it's already installed. You can see Elementor is already here. So let's go back to our plugins again. So what I'm doing now, I'm just coming here to say activate. That's all. Activate his brother. Why I like the essential add-ons for Elementor is because it has a lot of premium features. You can see, you see, all these things is what you pay for in Elementor, but here with this plugin we can access everything. Next, just skip this one. Next, no thanks. Okay, so let's just be fast because we don't have time. So they've told us congratulations, and let's move on. Let's move on. All right, so let's go back to our plugins. So we need to install our light speed. So we installed light speed catch, then our prime sliders. Okay, so now everything has been activated. All right, so now I can come to, then the next thing you should do is come to your pages. All right, just scroll down to where you have the home. You see guys, edit. Now guys, we are now building our website, okay, with single drag and drop. Now our website will be ready. So now what you just have to do now is you just come to edit with Elementor. You see, all these things were not here. You see, this area wasn't here before, even here, because the reason why they are here is because we installed Elementor and the essential Elementor. Do you understand? Now the reason why this Dix is here is because we installed the WP, the Ocean WP theme, all right, and the Ocean Extra theme that comes with the Ocean WP theme. That is why we have this Dix here. All right, guys. So I want you to follow this video step by step, and trust me, you'll be making websites, powerful websites that people will be wondering that how did you do it. Okay, so let's come and just click on edit with Elementor. That's what you have to do now. You know, this is how our website looks like. So this is so Elementor friendly. It's so Elementor friendly, and trust me, you are good to go. All right, so I don't want this video to be too long. It's a full course though, so let's just wait for Elementor to load. It doesn't take time. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, guys, so now that we are here, all right, guys, so now that we are here, so I can come here and just zoom out with your browser, okay, so that you can see this continue here. All right, and you zoom in back. That is all. So guys, what you see here is exactly what you see here. Do we understand? What is here, it's exactly what is here. So now let us just add some things. Example, we can come and say we can just come and pick a random picture. Let me just show you guys. Okay, let's say this one that I did for my YouTube. You can come and put it here. So I'll just show you like 3 drag and drop elements inside your Elementor. Okay, I'll just show you 3 drag and drop elements, and I want you guys to do yours, okay, and get back to me, okay, because I will have to pause this video, finish it up, and show you guys the results of what we have done. Okay, so guys, so this is how it's going to look like when the page opens. You see that, guys? So when I come and click update here, so in anything you do in Elementor 2, by the left hand side below here, there is a place for update. That means save what I have done. All right, so that's just the meaning. And trust me, this is really cool. So in Elementor, if you want to work on the container, just come and click here, this layer side, edit the container. You see, I can come and say, okay, I want the container layout to be here, I want it to be full width. You see, then you update. All right, so when it comes to sizes or anything you drag and drop, okay, anything that it deals with dragging and dropping, like the area, the width of the area of each sectors. Example, so now this part now is one sector. When we come and add another one here from here, now you see this place here, this is where you come and you just drag and drop things, and you add and you put it there. Example, you just drag and drop something and drop it there. You see it? All right, is that easy? Then if you want to leave space in between, all right, let's say I want to come here and write my full name, Ezeocha Leslie White. Okay, then I can come and say, okay, I want this to be so big as this. Sorry, I want this to be as H1. If I'm not satisfied with this, I can come to style, adjustment should be center, maybe the color can be white, even though I'm not seeing it, but with this I think I know where I'm going. Color can be white. Topography, this is where you now come and increase the size of the topography. Alright, so if I come now and click here, the container, and say let the style be black color, watch guys, you see, do you understand now? Then I want it to be expanded to, like so. I want it to be full width, you see. Then now when I come here and refresh, watch guys, see what we have done. You see, can you see? This is what we have done. Beautiful and amazing. All right, so we can come back here to our Elementor. You just basically drag and drop, that's all we are doing here. All right, I can come and say, okay, I want to come and copy this one here. Watch, copy. So now if I come and copy from the layer up here, it will copy everything. All right, if I want to change the write-up, just come and click here. I can change the write-up, the color of the write-up, everything here. You can come and change it here. But if you want to change the whole thing, you can copy and paste or duplicate anything inside each layer. This is one layer, this is another layer. Do you understand? So all these layers now, I can come here and click here, but now it's called containers. Okay, so this is a container, this is another container. So if I want to copy this whole thing, I'll come and right click and say copy. I can come here and say give me space, I want to add something, right click and say paste. Guys, you see? Then this one now I want to rename it. I can come here now and click here, you see. Then I can come and give it the name of my brand, which is Leslie Fashion Nigeria. Okay, which is Leslie Fashion Nigeria, you see. Okay, update. So the fashion is not spelled fashion. I think now it's correct now, right? Leslie Fashion Nigeria. Leslie Fashion Nigeria, and we do update. Okay, now if we come here, guys, watch, we come here and we refresh our home page. You can see that, guys, this is what we just did now. All right, so to add motion to this, when you load it, you can come here, click on your layer, come to advanced, scroll down to where you have motion effects. All right, you can put scroll. It's locked. So the motion effect entrance can be zoomed in. You see that, guys? I can come and click here too and add motion effect. Click on the container button up above where you have your element. Okay, so this is, you can see this one here is for the Leslie Fashion Nigeria. This one here is for this picture here. All right, while this one here is for the Azocha Leslie White. Do you get? So I can come and click here to click on advanced, come to motion effects and click something to again. Let's say sliding, slide down. You see? So if I come and save now and I come here and I refresh, watch, guys. You see? Did you see that? You see that motion? It makes your website sweet, and I don't think any coding can actually do this. So that is just the aim. So guys, the rest, all right, you can also add more things here from clicking here. I hope you are seeing what I'm clicking. Here is where you get elements to add. You just drag from here and drop here. Scroll down. If it's a video you want to put, example, I can come and put this. All right, there are a lot of things. Okay, let's say I don't have the real video, but I want to put a video, so I can just come and look for a YouTube link. Watch guys, so let's hunt in YouTube. So let's go hunting, because this is a new page. I don't have any video yet, so guys, I really want your support. Okay, Leslie White is Ocha, that's my full name. So just support me, since you are getting this course for free. The only thing I just need is just your support, and God bless. Alright, so let's just get any random video so that I can show you guys how it's done. Alright, so we can, maybe this video here, we can just come open the video. Good. So we can just come and say, all right, I want this video, right? I can come to share. Make sure you click the share, please. Then you come and copy this link. All right guys, then you come to where you have your video, this one, and come here and just do Ctrl A, Ctrl V. You see, it will load. You see guys, now we have the video on our website. If I come and do this, after coming here to click on the update, all right, we can come and refresh. Let's see. So guys, now I told you that now it's very easy. When we scroll down, our video is coming. That's why we have this huge space. The video is coming, so we can say, okay, this video area now, I want it to also be full width, and I want the outside color to be black. All right, update. So let's come and refresh. You see that guys? So our video is loading. The video is coming. All right, so guys, this is how it's done. All right, so everything you just have to do is just to drag and drop. You can see drag and drop, drag and drop. So all these are actually premium. These ones here are premium, is paid for. So what you do is just come down, or what you do, just come and hide the pro. This is the one you pay for. So with all these ones now, you can add more amazing things guys. Example, you can come and say, okay, you can add, let's say you come and choose your grid, or I can come and say plus here and say, okay, how I want it to be is like this, or like the, or grid, anyone you want. You can come choose your grid, and any grid you want. Let's say you want 3, or 1 up, 1 down, or left, right, or 3 like sequentially. Okay, so we can just come and click this one, and you'll see 3 spaces, 1, 2, 3. So I can choose to say, okay, I want the inside too. So come and click on your layer tab here, then come and put a color inside. I want inside to be black also. You see, simple as that. Then inside each, I want to put in, come to where you have your this, scroll down to where you have your elements. So I want this one, I want maybe this to be counting. I can even come and say copy. I can come here and paste again. You see how I do, just like how we did it up here, if you guys remember. So we're just copy pasting. I can come and say, then you can go to your elements. You can go to your elements and say, okay, this side I want something to count, maybe 1. You see that, guys? So this one now I can say copy, come here, paste, come here, paste. Do you see, guys? So we're just dragging and dropping and copying and pasting, so it's not something. So here I can say, I can name this one, I can come and click here, right, and name this one, I can say visitors. All right, then this one, come down, I can say clients. Okay, then this one too, I can say freelancers. Do you understand, guys? So I can come now and click here, and maybe I want it to count from, not from 0 to 100, maybe from 0 to 5,000. You see, this one too, I can say 0 to 10k. You see, 100,000. This one 0 to 6. Anyone, guys. Then you can come change the color here. Remember how I showed you guys? Come and click here. For the entity inside, you click here. All right, for everywhere inside your entity, you come and click here inside your container. All right, so we just come here, click here first, come to style, then come to the number, the text color, I want it to be white. You see? All right, then the visitors color, which is the color of your title, I want it to be a little bit red. All right, I want it to be red. All right, then for this one, the number, I want the number also to be white. You see, you see what is happening. Then I want the title to also be red. Text color should also be red. You see, guys? Then this one too, come here, number. So I'm just doing what we did before. You see, title, all right, guys. Then when we come and refresh here, we're gonna get this. So guys, I will also teach you guys how to use Envanto. You see, guys, have you seen? So this is how it's going to look like. Okay, so I don't know why this video is not showing, so we can come click here and see why it's not showing. Start time, but let's say autoplay. Just mute it. Let's mute it. Update. All right, then we can come here and see what we've done. All right, so let's come and you see, guys, see the movement. Our video is still not showing. Why is it not showing? don't know why it's not showing. It's supposed to show. Let's see. Still not showing. Why is it not showing? Alright, so the video is supposed to show immediately. Usually it shows immediately. So let's see if we can get another one. Okay, let's see. Let's come here and say copy video URL. Let's see if it's gonna work now. Maybe I didn't copy right URL the right way. Paste. Let's see if this one will show. Alright, so we'll come here and we okay. Alright, so you can actually download videos and upload the videos here. Actually, if this is giving you too much of you can see there's self-hosting here. Alright, but it's working here. I don't know why it's not working in the at the front end. Alright guys, so that's how to build a website. Okay, alright, so now for you to put a logo, so I'll show you how to put a logo and how to put other pages up here. Alright, I think that's the only thing I'm owing you guys. So alright, so let's just get that started. Alright, so I think we are done, so we can just say we can come to exit, apply later, leave. Okay, so now that we're here, so we can come. So for our what's it called, you can see how our site is showing from here too. It looks so very nice, even from the thumbnail when you hover on your tab. So fine, look at, this is so nice. I don't know why this video is not playing. Let me refresh again. Let's see. All right, so for you to for you to see this video, these what's it called, the pages, okay, you just come to appearance, come to menus. So let's show our pages on the menu area. All right, so we'll just give it a name, any random name. It can be Leslie new, any name guys. Menu name, you give it a menu name, then you create, just create new. Okay, you will need to say I just want a main menu. Main menu are the ones that stays up here. Up here, this is where you find your main menu. Okay, all right, so you just come and activate that. Then your top menu too, I want the top menu to be somewhere very up by your left hand side upward. Then here is your main menu, then the one on the footer here. So you can do this and just say create. Alright guys, so once you are done clicking on your customize area inside your appearance, alright, so the next thing you do is just scroll down here. So if you want to change this, your name here by the left hand side upward, if you want to change it to a logo, just come to header here. All right, come to header, go to logo. All right, and you can now select your logo. You can upload your logo. Okay, so you go to upload file. So you just go to any logo. Let's say we want to make this still our logo. So let's just give it some time. So we select. So this is trying to tell us how should it look like. So let's just expand here, up and down. Okay, then just put crop image. All right, crop image, and there we have our logo. You will see it so big, so don't be scared, guys. Okay, it will be so big and large like so. Don't be scared. Okay, all right. So what you will do now is just scroll down here like so, then come and change the maximum width like this. You see that, guys? All right, then scroll up to how you want it to look like. So this is too small, so let's make it a little bit big like so. All right, so guys, you can see, so our site name has changed to our logo, which looks more matured. Then if you want to change this area, I don't know if you can see my screen, you can see where my cursor is. If you want to change the color of this area, all right, this is where it's being done. This is where it's being done. Just scroll down. Just come to where you have your menu. Scroll down, and you can change the color of this area here. Okay, all right, so the background here can change. Okay, so you can change your color of your background and everything will go as smooth as possible. Example, we can come and do like so. Scroll to where we have our color. And change it. All right, you can change it to what you actually want. Okay, I think this is the background color, so it will change the background color. So just come down to where you have your link menu. Okay, link menu color, link background hover. Okay, so the border color. Okay, so you can just play with all these colors, okay, on your own time. All right, so this area is for your menu area. Okay, so then for the logo area, you can also make some changes if you want. All right, so that is how to put a logo on your home page, on the home page of your website. And remember, after you're done, come up here and click publish. All right, so this is pretty easy, guys, you see. And if we come to our website here, our front end, refresh the front end, you can see, guys, we have our logo, we have our menu, we have our main menu, we have our top menu up here, we have our top menu, and voila. So this is it. So I will try and make a video here play. So let me see what I can do. So let's come back here. So now let's come down here and change this area down here. I don't know if you can see my cursor down here. Let's change this area here. So to change that, just come to footer bottom. Now this is it. Okay, so we can change it to copyright, the date, then we can put Leslie. You can see it's changing. Leslie Fashion Nigeria. Okay, all right, so that is it. You can see it here. You can also write all rights reserved before you put your Leslie Fashion Nigeria. That's your brand name. Okay, so that's how it's done. And after we are done, we do what? We come up here and we click on publish. Okay, then we just go back like so. So now the beautiful thing with CMS is there are ways you could actually add additional CSS, like what we have here. You can add some JavaScript and CSS script here, and your website will obey any code that will be placed on this area here. So it's still here under where you have your main menu. Just scroll down to where you have custom CSS and JavaScript. Okay, so that's how it's done. I hope this is as brief and easy for you guys. So with this now, you can create a beautiful website. Okay, all right, so once you are done, you can see we've changed our footer here, and we've changed our logo. So that is what we will do in the customize area in our appearance. Okay, so we'll come and click on X. So let's exit from this area. Okay, back to our dashboard. All right, let's head back to our dashboard. All right, or we can just come close here and we come here and click to dashboard. So I will really advise you guys, when it's CMS, we don't want to be opening a particular area repeatedly. So what I will advise you is, like now we are at the dashboard now, right? Well, at the dashboard now. Okay, so I just like what we did before, you can just come to screen option here. Let's hide all this. Let's hide all this. It's not looking neat. So we can come to screen option and off it. You see, off it, off it. Okay, so that everywhere will look clean and nice. All right, and please, time to time, you have to be running some maintenance on your website. What's the meaning of maintenance? Maintenance simply means when you come and you update and you upscale some settings so that the website can be optimized. Maintenance also can be scanning for malwares on your website or attackers that really want to put down your website. Maintenance can also be making your website faster every month. Okay, checking the cache it collects using your light speed cache here that we have here. All right, so then to protect your website, I think I've forgotten that plugin, but there are a lot of plugins you can actually use to protect your website. That's the login. If people keep on logging in, it will notify you and tell you that, look, someone is trying to log in. But with a very strong password like how we created it earlier on, I don't think you will have any issue. All right, guys, so this is our website. You can see this is how the website looks like. It's optimized, it's nice, and you can see the flow. All right, this is really, really good. All right, so let's try and do something. All right, so I want to come to our dashboard. I know you guys are conversant with this area now. So for this is where we added our plugins. This is where you will add your menus, customize that we went to change our logo and our footer message. Okay, that's the copyright message below at the footer side of the website. This is the footer side of your website. This is the footer side of the website. All right, yeah, so where did I stop? So I just want you guys to have it in mind and have everything. All right, so the rest are not really important. Okay, just follow the video step by step. If you do not understand, take the video back and watch it again and again until you understand. All right, so let us go to our media. All right, and let me upload one of my videos. I really want something to play here so that you guys can see how this works. Okay, it's actually really, really cool. So let's come and add media. So let's select a file. Let me just come to one of my videos, something that is not too heavy. Let me see which of my videos have I compressed very well. Okay, 7 MB is not bad. So let us take this one. All right, so let us import this one. Okay, it's not going to take long. All right, so I've showed you how you can impute your images, your logos. All right, how you can change your page icon also for your website. Okay, that's just up here. All right, I've showed you guys that, so I think everything is on check. So to create other pages, just do what I did for for our home page. Okay, I will still give an example in this video. All right, so let me just make something play on our home video that's here. Then I think I should call it a day. All right, so guys, this is web designing. All right, so if you want to work on any other page, just come to view all pages. All right, what I usually do is I just right click and say open link in new tab so that it can open somewhere else. All right, so that's what I do. And just like from here, so now now that our pages are open, from the pages here by your left hand side, you will see your pages actually after you click it, okay, normally. So now this, why our home page is writing Elementor, that means we've used Elementor to edit our home page. So you do that with contact us, you do that, the blog is already default, you can leave the blog. You do that for the about us. Okay, I think I'll need to show you guys how to put in text, long text also. All right, which I'm going to do that. All right, so I have a lot to show. All right, so now we have this one, so we can come to our home page and say edit with Elementor. Okay, we can right click and let us edit with Elementor. Let Elementor load again. Okay, I really want to play something on the home page so that it can look, you know, more optimized and beautiful, because I love it when a website is looking beautiful and attractive. This is like an empty space. So let me just play something here. Okay, then I will add some bunch of text, then maybe edit one more page so that everybody can be gamed, everybody can be clear, everybody can be happy. I really want to make this free. You are not paying for anything. Okay, the only thing you will pay for is initial hosting, packaging, your hosting package, and your domain name. Those are the two things you will pay for, which is very, very normal, unless you want to use websites like wix.com, you know, and stan.com.io, stan.io. There are a lot you can use. seller.com, you know, they have built landing pages, that's what is being called, that is being used, but your domain won't be the way you want it. It has to be www.yourname.seller.com or www.yourname, the name of your brand, then .stan.io. okay, it won't be unique like this one here. So that is why you guys are coming to learn this. You really want a domain that is www.yourname.com or yourname.net or yourname.com.ng or yourname.au or .io, anyone. So we really want our website to be unique. That is why we are going all this. That's why we're doing all this. All right, so that we can be optimized. All right, so our Elementor is open now, so let me show you guys how to put bunch of text. Okay, so now we have this one, but it's actually showing here. I don't know why it's not showing. So I can do this. I can come and click here. Remember, to edit, you just come to the element and just click. If you want to edit this whole section, that's when you come here. Okay, but if you want to edit only this video element, you come by your right hand side here. So click that, come here, change it to self-hosted. Okay, self-hosted means you are about to put a video from your media. Guys, if you don't understand any part of this video, take the video back and play it again. But trust me, the more you take it back and you play it again, you will have success. Okay, so we come here, it opens the media. I select my video that I just uploaded for you guys, one of my videos, and I just hit select. Okay, so it's going to take time to load here. So let's give it some time. We can also say update. Okay, So let's just give it some time. It's going to load, but trust me, I think the self-hosted is the best, because I don't know why the YouTube link is not showing. Usually it shows, but you can see on our back end using Elementor, the video was playing, but I don't know why it wasn't playing on the front end. So I don't know why, but I know it's for the good. You can also put some posters that your video will carry. You know, it's more like putting thumbnails. Okay, so this is like thumbnails on your video, something people will see before they click play, which is very nice. I love this. This is really, really, really nice. All right, so let's see. I think this should be uploaded by now. This should be uploaded by now. Okay, let's come here and let's refresh. Let's see if it's activated. So just take your time, do not rush. Just take your time and do not rush. All right, still not showing. Still not showing. This is something that plays immediately. It doesn't waste time at all. So guys, don't forget to follow my new YouTube channel, okay? All right, so that's why we're doing these free stuffs, okay? Just like, comment, share, okay? Share to anybody that really wants free stuffs, okay? You're not paying for anything. This is just good information. The only thing I will need is just your time. If you follow this, trust me, you are gamed, okay?